If there's one thing I look forward to in this unbearably hot season, it is this. One of my favorite drinks of all time, Aam Panna, or as we call it in Maharashtra, Kairi Panna. And if you've never had Panna in your life, you're in for a treat. Growing up, as soon as raw mangoes showed up at the markets, I'd annoy mum into making Aam Panna for me. Fortunately, now I have Upliance, an AI-based kitchen assistant that will make this delish drink for me from scratch. To start, I just had to weigh the raw mangoes on the weighing scale that Upliance comes with and dunk them into the jar with some water. Upliance will judge how long to cook these mangoes by itself based on its algorithms while I shoot this video for you. Now, Aam Panna is the perfect drink for summer, not just because it hydrates you and balances your electrolytes, but also because raw mangoes are rich in pectin, a water-soluble fiber. And not to forget that it's also friggin' delicious. As a kid, I remember waiting every single day to have that one glass of panna that we were allowed. And the minute I tasted this Aam Panna made in Upliance, just like that scene from the movie Ratatouille, I was transported back to my childhood. This summer tradition has a special place in my heart because it reminds me of an incredible part of my life. And now I don't have to miss out on it because Upliance will help me relive the nostalgia, one glass of Aam Panna at a time.